Hey folks, Professor Johnson here. You're halfway there. We're halfway through. All right, so week seven. Sorry, not week seven, chapter seven. Wrong thing, chapter seven. Chapter seven. So we're at the 19th century. Finally, we're at the 19th century. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about this week. We are, as always, talking about this historical perspective. So we're going to find out what's happening in France and England. As you know, the United States at this point has just declared its independence. From the British overlords, right? So we are in the first 25 years of the U.S. being a state. So we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about immigration and how immigration changed the clothing that was worn. We're going to talk about the clothing of indigenous people. And we're going to also I'll talk about garments worn by runaway slaves and how clothing was a descriptor for runaway slaves because they only had that one set of clothing. So that's what we're going to talk about this week. Addition to that, we'll of course talk about men and women's garments, and we'll continue using our Getting Dressed series. So you will see some getting dressed. So we're only covering 50 years. We're only going to cover 50 years this time because we're going to do 1800 to 1850. Also, you're gonna get a detailed list of Napoleon's garments too, which is really interesting to see what Napoleon took into battle. So, all right. So as always, same scenario. You know what to do. Read the book, view the lecture, do the discussion board, watch the recap, live your life. Be happy. Okay. All right. I will see you at the recap video.